Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you some hidden features in TikTok many of you don't know. The first one, when you go to any video on TikTok, you are playing, you can, in the middle of the screen, hold on or long press. You have some options. The first option from the left is report, to report the video. If it is an appropriate video, you can report it. The second option here is not interested. Not interested here, if you choose it, then TikTok will add a record in your profile in TikTok servers that is such video or such videos like this video here. This video is about anime, okay? So TikTok will recognize that you don't like anime videos. He won't promote you anymore or show anime videos in your For You page. Okay, so let's go back again and hold it. The third choice here is save video, download the video. Next one is add to story. You can share this video to your story. Playback speed is to play back the speed of the video in any choice you want. Other one is auto scroll. Once you choose auto scroll here, you will see that there's an arrow up here on the top right corner. This means auto scroll is activated. And this means that if any video finished playing, TikTok will automatically scroll to the next video. So let's just move this one here. And when the video finished playing, it automatically scroll to the next one. So if you want to turn off this auto scroll, you don't need to long press and then choose manual scroll here. You just can click on the top arrow corner here, just one click, and then you are back to normal, to manual scroll. Captions here, if you want to translate the video. So here, down here, do not translate Arabic videos, translate any other video that is not in English or Arabic to English language, translate into. These options are useful for non-English videos. You can understand the videos. Picture in picture here, you activate the picture in picture mode. Once you choose it, and when you activate it, just switch to another apps or to your home screen, you will find that the video is playing in picture with all the picture in picture features. You can enlarge the video, or you can switch to another app. Here I'm in Facebook while TikTok video is playing. To go back, just hit double click the video, press back again, and what else here? We have a promote and why this video, some explanation. Other features, such as when you go to your profile, this feature I like it. Okay, when you go to your profile, then go to the top menu on the top right corner, the hamburger menu, then choose settings and privacy. Find here offline videos. In offline videos here, you have multiple options: 15 videos, 150, 100 videos, 150 videos, 200 videos. Each one approximate time. 50 videos is like 3 minutes playing or watching time. What's the benefit of offline videos? For example, let's say that you are going to outside your house, or you are traveling, you are going somewhere where you don't have a Wi-Fi connection, you want to enjoy TikTok videos, you can come to this feature and download offline videos. It downloads here, this option downloads 200 videos where you can watch them later. How to watch them later? Simply, when you go to TikTok, you can scroll just some videos, and then all the videos appear here in your For You page should be from offline videos. And when you go to offline videos, okay, here offline videos, 30 videos, let's click download. This should not take so much, depends on your internet speed, okay, but once you downloaded them, they should appear also in offline download videos. Anyway, so I don't want to download anything here. Your offline videos will appear here in this section. All of them, you can watch them later. If you are traveling or you are going somewhere else that you don't have camping, for example, you don't have Wi-Fi connection, you can enjoy TikTok videos. Other option here is when you are in a video and you click on share button or in share arrow, this one here, you will have some options down here. Like cast, you can cast it to any device, TV for example. Captions, we talked about it. Create a sticker, you can create a sticker. Live photo and share as a GIF. Share as a GIF. The video gonna get downloaded, and then you can share it as a GIF image to any other playable media, such as you can share it to WhatsApp for example, or Telegram, or any other app. Live video, this live video feature is amazing, especially for the iPhone users. iPhone users, you can click on live video, download the video as a live photo. Okay, I mean live photo, not live video, sorry. Live video, a live photo, and then you can set the live photo in your home screen. So once you hold your home screen background photo, the photo gonna get played. It's playable, okay? It's like this type of live photo is that when you hold your finger on a photo, it starts playing the video. You can try it anyway. Um, in your settings also here, there are something that many of you maybe don't know about your privacy, display, featuring, and there's something here cool. It's good for you if you have kids using kids in home that may use TikTok behind your back, or you may give your phone to any kid who gonna use TikTok. You go to content preferences here, this tab, and then you have restricted mode. You should turn restricted mode here on if you want to prevent uncomfortable videos from appearing to your For You page. This is more safe if you have kids in your house that may use TikTok. Gesture features here, if you are playing a video on TikTok and you want to speed it up, you can just hold the left edge of your video or your TikTok video, then it can be played in 2x like this.
كامل.
If you hold it, if you are annoyed, if you see these annoyed icons in the video and you want to see a clear view for the video, you can stretch your two fingers, tap your two fingers and stretch them like this. And by the way, we have a clear screen, no icons, and you can have controls down below. That's all for you now, for now, guys. This is my TikTok account. Actually, if you want to follow me or subscribe to my YouTube channel, that's better. See you in future tutorials. Bye bye.